Welcome back, viewers, to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about businesses. What? Let's see, 10 effective ideas for business growth. 10 or more if we have. Let's go for this and see what it is going to give us. Uh-oh. Yeah. So it is giving us about 13 ways to grow your business quickly. I seem to be very authentic as it is by Business News Delhi. It is a very good platform for the news of business. Okay, there are plenty of things that you can do to put your company on a path to growth. These three tips offer tried and true methods for scaling up no matter what your business does. Hire the right people. Number one, before you can even think about your company's growth strategy, you can trajectory, you can need to have a solid staff to help you achieve your goals. Hiring the absolute best people you can is a surefire way to ensure fast growth. Okay. Number two is to focus on established revenue sources rather than trying to acquiring new customers. Direct your attention to the core customers you already have. Suggested by Bill Riley, a Wisconsin-based auto repair entrepreneur. You can do this by implementing a referral or customer loyalty program or trying out marketing strategies based on previous purchasing behaviors to encourage repeat business, he said. All right. Tip is to maximize your current customer base by implementing a customer loyalty program or trying out marketing strategies based on customers' purchase histories. Number three is reduce your risks. Risk is an inevitable part of starting and growing a business. It's impossible to control everything, but there are many ways to limit internal and external threats to your company and its growth. The one important resource to help you accomplish this is your business insurance provider. Okay, what is the tip? It is easy to forget this step and repetition, but you don't have to find out that you have grown your coverage. It's okay, no problem. Number four is be adaptable. One trait that many successful startups have in common is the ability to switch directions quickly in response to changes in the market. Lang said on agile approach to development, both in your products and your company, will help you grow more quickly. By allowing yourself to adapt a new and change quickly, you are able to test different approaches to business and find out what works best. Okay. Number fifth is focus on customer experience. Customers customers perceptions can make or break your business. Deliver quality experiences and products, and they will quickly sing your praises on social media. Mess it up, and they will tell the world even faster. Fast growth depends on making your current and potential customers happy. Okay. Key takeaway: customer relationship program management, CRM software, can help you understand your customers better. Check out our picks for the best CRM software available for the small businesses. You can go for this website and they will tell you about free tips. Diversify. Okay, no problem. And next is, did you know small businesses can quickly adapt and respond to customers' needs? The agility that can give them advantage over larger businessmen or businesses. Number six is invest in yourself. In the early stages of your business, you will likely to see a lean profit margin or no profit at all. So any money you make should go directly to helping your business grow. A startup's ability to invest in itself helps accelerate growth. Okay, in those early years, it's critical to make sure that you are redirecting any revenues back into the company. It's vital to invest early and heavily in order to grow quickly. Number seven is to always think ahead. While agility is an important quality for a startup, you can't fly by the seat of your pants when you are running a business. Planning your next step is in anticipation of all possible scenarios is the best way to stay grounded and secure as your business evolves. Number 8 is boost your customer services. Another great method of growing your business is to focus on providing superior customer services. When you exceed customers' expectations, they are likely to tell their friends, family, and followers about your business. Okay. Number 9 is focus on social media. Another method to grow your business is to create profiles on all the major social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. An active profile helps you make or help you market your businesses and interact with far more potential customers. When your business has regularly updated accounts on the major platforms, consumers can find your businesses more easily and are more likely to share your businesses with their friends. Number 10 is to attend networking events. Networking events allow you to connect with people in your industry, many of whom have unique perspectives and insights that can help you grow your businesses. Okay. Number 11 is practice corporate and social responsibility. We all know about it. Number 12 is host local events. Sure. Number 13 is research your competitors. It is very important. The tip, we will go for it. If you want to analyze the competition the right away, read our guide to how to conduct a competitive analysis, which offers key tips that will help you take advantage of opportunities your competitors have left on the table. So go for these. May your business be succeeded. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye.